Hi, hi everyone. I hope my voice is clear. I'm really sorry. Actually, आज भी मेरे को शादी में जाना था तुलसी भी ठीक है. You guys can hear me, right? All right. So let's get started. Okay. So what we discussed in the last lecture, let's continue that, and then we will start with our today's lecture. So yesterday's lecture was very interesting. We started talking about the server installation, then we have done the prerequisite before you do the database installation. So we have seen in the prerequisite we have installed the packages, the pre-installation packages we have installed. Since we are installing the pre-installation packages, so it helps us to install the users, groups. Then we created a directory structure, like we called it as a Oracle home. We created a bash profile. In the bash profile we mentioned what is my Oracle home and what is my Oracle SID. We specified the Oracle home location there, and then now it is a time to do the installation of Oracle software. Are we done with the Oracle software installation? Software we have done. Is it done? I don't know. I don't remember that. No, right? So we have just done the prerequisite, right? The prerequisite part was done. Don't worry, we are going to see that today also, slowly, one by one. And let me start the machine. So whenever you are thinking that, okay, I want to start. So first of all, start the machine. So I'm starting my machine now. The machine is getting started. And then we will take the SSH of your Oracle database machine, and then we will start. Okay, just a minute. So machine is getting started. Just wait. Not now. Fine. So the machine is running. Let me take the SSH. Again, like mostly you don't need to worry about the machine. You just start the machine. Go to the Mobex term. So I'm going to the Mobex term now. And so Mobex term is getting started. Let me start that. I'll do one thing. Is this machine we created, right? November Oracle. Let me log in with Oracle now. Okay. So if you remember that yesterday we created Oracle home location, right? So I'm going to the Oracle home location, and here we uploaded our Oracle software, remember? So this is a zip file which we uploaded. Now what you need to do, you need to unzip. So by using the unzip command, you are going to unzip that software. So let me unzip the software now. And by using this software only, you are going to do the database installation. Pretty much simple. Don't worry about that. We will see one by one. So now first of all, you are going to do, not you, I will personally, we are going to install a software first. We are going to install Oracle 19C software. Where we are going to install the software? In the Oracle home location. What is my Oracle home location? I created one location like data, app, Oracle, product, 19c, DB home. This is a home location I created where I have unzipped my software. After unzipping, a lot of files will be getting created. Then I will call run installer. When I call run installer, it will ask me, what do you want to install? Do you want to install Oracle 19c software? So when you are installing Oracle 19c software, let's say you have Oracle 19c software. By using this Oracle 19c software, you can install multiple database. Like you can create DB1, you can create DB2. So software you need to install one time only. Software you need to install one time only. What will be the version of this DB1 and DB2? 19c. 19c. Now let's say someone is saying that, let's say I have this server is there. Here I have installed Oracle 19c database. Okay, this is my 19c database. So when 19c database is there, means 19c software is there definitely. Let's someone is saying that, okay, can I install Oracle 12c here? Along with the 19c, can I install Oracle 12c also? Because this is also one version of Oracle database. So you can do that, no problem, okay? You can install Oracle 19c also, you can install Oracle 12c also. If you think that I want to install Oracle 19c, one more Oracle 19c, there are two databases with the same version, that is also possible. So Oracle 19c database will use Oracle 19c software. Which software? 19c software. And Oracle 12c will use Oracle 12c software. Which software? Oracle 12c software. Oracle 12c software. So Oracle 12c, we are not talking about the Oracle 12c now. We are talking about the Oracle 19c only. So what I will do? So my unzipping is in progress. Oh man, why it is very slow? I see the unzip is very slow. Okay, still going on. Actually my server is slow today. I need to restart my laptop actually. Otherwise it will take hardly 2 minutes. Okay. So first of all, we will install a software, and by using that software, we are going to install a database. So what is my agenda? First of all, we will install a software here, this software, 19c software. And by using this 19c software, you are going to install 19c database. What is the database name we are going to use? I will use the database name as Prime. In real-time production environment, your database name will be given by your client only. They will decide what will be the name of your database. Okay, they will take care of it. Now my software is done. I'll do ls-lrt, and I got this so many files here because we have just unzip it. Remember, I'm using a Oracle user, and I will call run installer now. So I'll say /run installer and press enter. So you need to say /run installer. This will open a pop-up which will help you to do the installation of what? Which will help you to do the installation of Oracle software. First of all, we will install a software, then we will install database. Meanwhile, open a duplicate tab, log in with root user, and enter something here like vi/etc/host. Go inside this file, and then see, you need to add here like 192.168.56.50, the IP address of your machine, node 1, the short name of your server, and the complete name of your server. This name we have given at the time of server installation. So now I have called run installer, which has open one pop-up. Okay, which has open one pop-up, and by using this pop-up, I will start doing the installation of my software. So we have two options here. One is create and configure single instance database. If I go with this option, what it will do? It will install a software. Okay, it will install a software, and it will install then database. So it will do software plus database. If you go down, it will install only software. So you can go with the first option also, you can go with second option. First option, it will install software plus database at a time. At a time means, first of all, it will install software also. So you will see the options related to the software as well as database. And this will install only software, and then you can install database. I'll show you that. Don't worry about that. Now what I will do, I'll say next, I'll set up a software. Which database you want to install? You want to install single instance database or rack database? I will go with the single instance database. Rack is also one course that is for high availability. We also take it, like I am the personal trainer for Oracle Rack, but you don't need to understand Oracle Rack as of now. You need to understand Oracle Rack once you guys are comfortable with this Oracle DBA. Okay, click on next. Now what is the edition you want to use? See, normally you are purchasing an iPhone, but iPhone is of also different editions, right? Let's say iPhone 17, iPhone 15, iPhone SE. Similar way, this database also coming with different editions. There are two editions are there. One is like a cheap, one is expensive. Enterprise edition means you will get a lot of features, like let's take an example. You want high availability, you want some security features, you want some performance related like AWR report. All those things are available under enterprise editions. So basically you'll get a database along with latest features. Standard edition means you'll get a database but it does not have full features. But again, so remember one thing, that Oracle is not free of cost. We are using it for training purpose, it's okay. But normally in real-time production environment, you need to pay the licensing cost. Okay, so that is the reason we will go with the enterprise edition with the full feature. And what is AWR report, what is security features, and everything we are going to explain in the next lectures. Okay, it's very difficult to make you understand everything within a single lecture. So we will go one by one, and then you will be able to understand that why we are choosing the enterprise edition. Now it is asking that, okay, what is your Oracle software location? This is a location where we have unzipped the software, and this is a location where my data files will be getting created related to the Oracle. Now you will ask me like, what is data file, what is control file, what is SP file? Everything we are going to see in the Oracle database architecture. So click on next. This is the inventory location. So in the inventory location, whatever softwares you are going to install, that software related information will be attached over here. It is a XML file which will have the information about what are all softwares you have installed. Now just now we have installed Oracle 19c. So that information will be here. Click on next. Now these are the groups. Like, do you remember that at the time of database installation, I told you, right, some of the groups related to the database got created. So these are the groups are there. So it is asking you that, okay, for backup and recovery, which group you want to use. You can select all O install also, or you can select this default one also, no problem in that. Okay, click on next. And whenever you are doing the database software installation, by default one script will be getting executed. That script we called it as a root.sh script. That script we need to run by using root user. If you provide the password of root user, that script will be run automatically also. Like if I'm entering the password of root, that script will be run automatically. The root password is root, and now it is doing the pre-checks, like whether you have installed all the packages, whether you have created users, groups, everything it is going to check here. If you made any mistake, you will get the error message here only. But if you don't make the mistake, everything will be fine. And finally, click on install. So when I'm clicking on install, it is doing the installation of Oracle database software, not database. Did we install database till now? No. Now once we got software, I told you, right, once we got this software, okay, once we got this software, then by using this software we can install our database. Now I'm going to install this prime database. That's the next part. Now in order to install a database, there is a separate utilities there. We call it as a DBCA utility. Where this utility is available, it is available under your Oracle home only. Under that there is a bin location, bin, and there this utility is available. But you don't need to go into this location. You can call this DBCA from anywhere because you have already specified this path into bash profile. The main purpose of bash profile is like you can call any utility from any location. I'll show you that one also. If you go here, let me open that by using Oracle. My installation of software is in progress. If you go to the Oracle home, then bin location, here is that DBCA utility. See here, this is the utility which will help you when you want to install the Oracle database. So once our software installation is done, then we will do the installation of database. Okay, so it will take another 5 minutes to complete the software installation, then we will call DBCA. Acha, now very interesting question. Whatever we discussed till now, are you able to understand, guys? Can you please use the chat option and let me know? Everyone, till now whatever we discussed, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option? Okay, I see everyone is saying yes. That's nice. So if everything is good, chalo, let's do one thing. I will ask you something. What I was saying. One minute. Okay. So it's in progress. Okay, don't worry about that. The software installation is in progress. So within a minute, we are going to see that. Okay. Okay. So what do you think, guys? Is it difficult, easy? How do you see this DBA till now? Like it's been a long time, like we guys are learning now, right? How do you feel this DBA? Is it good, bad? How do you feel? All good, everyone? Nice. So since we have some free time, I am requesting everyone, please fill up the review. So we have some free time. Meanwhile, I'll take, okay, now it is asking, do you want to run the root.sh script? I'll say yes, I want to run that. So you don't need to run that manually, it will be done automatically. So my software installation is done now. Okay, the software installation part is done now. Now it is a time to do the database installation. How to call database installation? Very simple. Call DBCA utility. call DBC utility. Just now I show you, right? This DBCA. You can call DBCA from anywhere because you have already specified the Oracle home into the bash profile. Okay. Do you remember, guys, bash profile? Remember now, right? So when we were here, this is the bash profile that we have created in the last lecture, right? There we already specified the Oracle home. So I'm here. Now it is asking me that, do you want to create a database? Do you want to create a database? Yes, I want to create a database. Click on next. Now you need to click on the advanced configuration because we can customize most of the options. So I'll say advanced configuration. Which database you want to install? You want to install single instance database or rack database? I will say single instance database. What is the purpose of your database? I want to install this database for transactional processing. Most of the time it will be transactional. Again, if you want to check, you can check with your client. Now, what is the name of your database? I already told you, right? We have given the name of database as Prime and the pluggable database name as PDB Prime. So you have a question in your mind that what is pluggable database? So pluggable database is the concept of multi-tenant architecture, which I am going to explain you in tomorrow's lecture. Okay, in tomorrow's lecture I'll explain that along with the architecture. So as of now, just keep it in your mind that the name of my database is Prime, and I'll click on next. Select these options. Whenever you are doing the database installation, your database will create some files related to the database, like data files, where that data files will be getting created under Oracle base. Where is that Oracle base? Here, data app Oracle. Under that there is a folder called Ora data and this DB unique name. So you can add this DB unique name also. So what you can do, you can go into this file and that parameter also you can add it here, like DB unique name. So what is my DB unique name? So I'll say export DB unique name equals to Prime. So it will create that folder. Okay, and then source it. I told you, whenever you are making changes to the bash profile, okay, you need to source that. So under this location, Oracle base, Ora data and DB unique name, there my data files will be getting created. Okay, now what I will do, I'll click on next. Do you want to enable the archive log fast recovery? Yeah, no, I don't want to do that now, so I will skip that. We are going to enable that in future lecture. So now you may have a question like what is archive log mode, what is FRA and all. Don't worry about that. We are going to see everything in the class. Do you want to create a listener? Yes, I want to create a listener with the name listener only. The listener port number will be 1521. Again, you have a question in your mind that what is listener? Don't worry, we have a listener related class in the next lecture. So we are going to discuss about that very soon. Okay. So I know that you people are very much curious, so many questions, so many obviously like you have so many things in your mind, but don't worry, we are going to take care of it very well. So listener, just for your like बहुत ही ज़्यादा अगर सुनने की इच्छा हो रही, the listener is mainly responsible to receive the connections from the users. Like let's say a user want to connect to the database, right? So that connection will be coming through listener. Okay, click on next. Ignore these vault options as of now. Whenever you are doing the database installation, remember these options. These options are very important. For a database, we need to allocate some memory. How much memory you want to allocate? You want to allocate so if you want to allocate more memory, you can use this option. Okay, you can use these options. You want to allocate how much memory you want to allocate. So allocate, why we need the memory to the database? We need the memory to the database so that the database can function, the database can work, right? Let's say you are going to run the insert command, select command, all those commands on your database. So whenever you are running all those commands on your database, it required a memory, na? It required a memory. So that is the reason we need to allocate some memory. That memory we called it as a SGA and PGA. I am going to explain all these things into the Oracle database architecture. So just watch it and see what I'm trying to do. Don't change anything here. I can see the very minimal memory is getting allocated to my database, because I'll tell you the reason behind that. Do you remember in my last lecture I have allocated only 4 GB to my server? That is the reason. Okay, that is the reason. So in your case it may be more, but as of now you can ignore that. What about the processes? 320, these are the default processes. If you want to increase the processes, decrease, you can do that. Character set is all about the multiple language supported by Oracle. Oracle is all about, it's not just about English, it can support multiple language. Because when you talked about a database is coming with multiple, like Chinese, Korean, whatever language, right? Everyone is using Oracle, so it should be supported, that character. So click on next. I'll just click on next, and then we will have some more options here. You can uncheck this. For monitoring purpose we will use OEM. Whenever you are doing the database installation, some user will be getting created like sys system pdb admin. These are the administrator users. I want to give same password like Oracle. Oracle is the password for all the users. Normally in real-time production environment, we provide a different password, but I'm giving same password as Oracle now. So this user will be getting created automatically in the Oracle database, just like in Linux operating system, root user will be getting created, right? Similar way, this user will be getting created. Click on next. And now finally the database creation is in progress. So this will be running for another 30-40 minutes. Okay, let it be running like this, monitor it, and after 30-40 minutes you will see that your database installation is done. And from last 4-5 days we are simply talking about how to install the Oracle database. You can click on details, you can see the progress over here, you can see the alert log file will be getting created. So this is helpful for your troubleshooting purpose. Let's say your database installation get failed, so DBA normally check the log file, so you can check all these details from here. Just keep monitoring that. Okay, if you follow me simply without having any issues, everything will be done and your installation will be done successfully without having any issues. So don't worry about that. Okay, it will be done very soon, and it will be running like for 30-40 minutes depending upon your laptop speed, and your installation is done. So successfully we have completed the Oracle 19c database installation on Oracle Enterprise Linux operating system 7.9. If you know how to install the Oracle database 19c, you can easily do the installation of Oracle 12c, 11g, 21c, 23AI or 26AI, whatever comes in the future. Everything you are going to do very easily. So let me begin, or let me give you the heads up that what we have done till now. So earlier we started with the SQL, then we started with the Linux. So that way our fundamentals become very strong. After that we started talking about the Oracle database administration. So in Oracle DBA, once we got some fundamentals, we thought like, okay, let's do the complete installation first, so that you guys will be ready for the practice purpose. So you will have a system ready with you. So first of all, we have installed Oracle VirtualBox. Once Oracle VirtualBox is done, then we downloaded the server operating system, Oracle Enterprise Linux. We installed Oracle Enterprise Linux. Then after that, we have installed all the packages. We create by creating automatically, it has created users, group, kernel level setting, everything was done properly. After that we created a directory structures. We provided proper permissions to the directories. We created bash profile. We downloaded the Oracle database software, we uploaded that, we installed the software, and then what? Then everything looks good. Then after the software installation, we have installed the database by using a DBCA. Now my database installation is in progress, so within 30-40 minutes my database installation will be done, and from tomorrow we guys are ready to use our Oracle database in our personal laptop. This is the same process you can follow in your real-time production environment, and I'm also following from last 12 years. Till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand? Till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand, everyone? Everyone, till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand? Okay, nice. Till now, whatever we discuss, able to understand, right, everyone? Good to see. Nice, guys. Okay, it's quite simple, guys. It's not that difficult. I don't know why people are spending so much of money to learning about Oracle DB. काय कोई पैसा खर्च करने का, सब इजी तो है, सही बात है कि नहीं? ठीक है. So again, definitely you have a questions, right? So you can ask your questions. I will be ready with your questions. Yeah, please ask your question. Acha, meanwhile, those when people are asking the question, the very important thing, please fill up this review and mention that good Oracle DBA training. इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं आप लोग. Yes, please. You can unmute and you can ask your question. Yeah, we have multiple branches. That's the reason we are taking it everywhere. Yes, Ansari. Rack database we already started, na? 7 to 8 I'm taking rack only. 8 to 9 your batch. Rack DBA we have already started. Again, like if you can enroll now, or if you want, you can enroll now and you can just repeat in the next batch also.
So sir, how many session has been done?
There we completed around 5 lectures, I think. Installation part we completed today only.
No addition of this, sir. No addition and no this, sir.
No, that is not done. We have not covered anything, just installation. Okay.
Yeah, I am already working on silver and standalone and we are database, but I want to switch the job, so that's why
The people are asking the questions on the rack now. So no problem. Okay. Anyway, all the recordings are available. You just do one thing. You check with the sales team. Okay. Talk to them, and they will add you in the batch.
okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Yes, please. Next question.
hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, so sir, like when I visited eatrevealoracle.com URL and created my account, so after creating my account, like when I try to download the image of something, yeah, so I received one message like the access of Oracle delivery has been delayed for 24 hours.
Acha, sometime they will take a time to review your account. You want to download OEL 7.9, right?
Yeah.
I'll give you one link. I see that. I'll give you a direct link. From there you can download.
Okay.
किधर है मेरे पेड वाले बैच में है ना वो 1 minute हाँ
Yeah, sure.
I got it. So you can use this. Yes, this one also you can use. So you can use
Okay,
this. Directly click here and then install that.
okay.
Yeah, but get the access to the Oracle. Like it's very important, and one or other day it is going to be helpful for you. Yes, please.
Okay, yeah.
Did you check the email, right? Yeah, on the email it will be done. Okay, you'll get the email. You need to approve that.
Okay, okay, sure.
Yes, please. Next question.
We have installed 19C software.
Hmm.
So we marked this as like we will be using the pluggable feature. So the databases we will create. So can it be from different Oracle versions, or is there a complexity like we cannot use anything below 11G?
No. So main problem is about the Oracle support. If you are using Oracle 11G and you got some bug in your Oracle database, then Oracle will not support you. The Oracle support is ended for Oracle 11G and 12C. The Oracle support is available for Oracle 19C and above versions. Okay. So in the real-time production environment, the people who are using Oracle 11G, they are upgrading to the Oracle 19C. Yeah, but for practice purpose, if you want to install Oracle 11G, you can do that. No problem in that.
Okay.
Sir, ASM installation process is also same as this installation, sir?
ASM will be little different, and it is quite challenging because you are going to mainly touch to the storage part. So, but yeah, some if you, anyway we are going to take the ASM installation also. Don't worry about that. I'll explain how to do that. This is a part of syllabus.
Okay. Sir, will AI get impact on Oracle DBA jobs?
AI कुछ नहीं करता है, कुछ नहीं होगा. You guys just be ready for the new features and all. Okay, nothing is going to be hamper you. Only the thing is, whatever new things are coming in the market, just try to understand that. Yeah, it makes the life easy. Like if I just take an example of chat gpt, earlier I used to do a lot of googling. Nowadays you don't need to google. Whatever things you want to ask, you can ask chat gpt and it will provide you the answer. Yeah, things are good, but when the situations are coming like just take an example, when the situations are coming like where you need to take the decisions, the human interventions are really required. Okay, so we should not be worry about all this AI and all those clouds and all. Your core architecture are not going anywhere. The people are required, and skillful people are required actually. Okay.
In my previous organization, they are implementing Gen AI feature in this DB, so that's why I asked this question.
Nothing will happen, don't worry. Okay, they will use that, they will destroy the database and then they will call you. Yeah, guys, samajh. Good evening. Yes, please.
In the last lecture, we will use IP address.
Hmm.
Like your IP address 192.168.2.50. Yeah, you said my IP address is different. When I use my IP address and I will touch with Putty, when I use password as root, the access was denied, sir.
No, first of all, are you able to take the SSH? Are you able to connect to your server? See,
Yes, sir. Putty will be open, sir.
putty will open. Is it asking you to enter your username?
Yes, sir. First, asking first entering your username is root, and when we click on enter, they asking password, and I'm entering password as a root. They given as will access denied.
No, there is some issue with your password then. Okay, Do one thing, go inside the virtual box, open the terminal directly, switch to the root user and set the password of root user one more time. If you still facing the issues now, our support team will be available in the morning by 10 o'clock. Check with them and they will troubleshoot your issues. They will take your control and they will fix your issues.
Sir, in the evening, our support team was helping.
Support, no, support evening means night time the people will not be available. If you
Support team was helping, sir.
acha
Helpful, sir. But our system so were different, and our support team will provide the IP address different.
no, use the same IP address.
They give and
No, what I'm trying to make you understand, use the same IP address which I am using, just like same IP address. Don't use your IP address, because those IP address we are going to use in future lectures, like listener and all those concepts we are going to use that. If you use your IP address, you need to make sure that every location that IP address is same. But people are making the mistake, so you can use my IP address only, same IP address. If you are not able to do that, check with the support team, they will take care of it. Okay.
Sir, Sandeep, here, during setting up OEL, do we have to use your IP address only?
My IP address only.
Okay, that's why I'm getting error in Mobex system. Okay, I used my IP address.
Now if you guys are getting error message with your Mobex term, it means you guys are doing something wrong with your network. Okay.
Right.
So in network something is wrong, that is the reason you are not able to connect.
Okay, while creating a session, I have used my IP address. That's why. So I'll make correction. Thank you.
hello, so Kiran this side.
Yes, please.
Yesterday, like I missed the class. I was in client call, so I'll go through the recording for yesterday. And today, like while we installing the 19G software, it asked us about the two different versions. Like one was the standard and another was like enterprise. Okay. So is there any difference between in the installation process between both these versions?
At the time of installation you will not find any challenges, but the thing is, in future, let's say you want to check the performance of your database. For that we use something called AWR report. So AWR report is not available with standard editions, and many other things are available which are not available with standard edition, like performance related many factors are there. Standard edition is also one database only, but it is missing a very crucial important features. That is the reason we use enterprise edition. Enterprise edition is costly, you need to pay extra charges for enterprise edition, but again you don't need to pay anything from your pocket, the client will take care of that.
Yes. Got it. So basically, the main features will be on enterprise as we discussed.
Okay.
Got it. And the process is same.
Correct.
Okay.
Ankush sir, one more question. So on IP address part, so while installing the filling the network details, so we will fill our IP address only, no? Or like the one which you have used yesterday?
No, my IP address. You can use my IP address only, no problem. See, 192.168.56 is the range provided by service provider. They will use that. Okay. So you can use that.
Okay.
Those people who are facing the challenges with the IP address now, reach out to the support team. They will fix issues in front of you only. Okay. See how they are fixing it, but it will be done. Okay. Don't worry about that.
Hello.
Yes.
Ankush Sai there. Sir, I have one question. Sir, will on-premises database completely disappear in the future, or will everything eventually move on the cloud?
कुछ भी नहीं होगा. See, I'm listening this from so many years. Okay. Nothing. People don't like changes, and don't worry about that. Yeah, but I'm not saying that you should not learn about the cloud and all. Okay. Definitely. See, this Oracle DBA training is basically your core fundamentals part. Once you are comfortable with this, then next part will be your Oracle rack environment. Then after that you guys need to understand OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Then you guys need to understand about the Exadata, ExaCC, Golden Gate technologies, then start learning about DevOps technologies. So it's a continuous learning. Even after so many years, I am also doing the same thing. Okay, so always be in touch with the latest whatever it is happening. But if someone is saying that there will not be any on premises in future, अभी आप लोग को पता है AWS का क्या हुआ. AWS, like everyone know, right? Few days back only, na 3-4 days back, there was a big outage in AWS US region EC. So main problem with the cloud is security. It is like you are giving your important data to someone, and the banking project will not do that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So Sandeep, yeah, one more question regarding we have done installation of 19C or Oracle database. So for practice purpose, can we uninstall and install again? So
You can do that, no problem, no problem.
will there be any changes on software?
No, nothing.
So can you explain the steps to uninstall that setup?
If you have already installed, okay,
Yeah.
then there is something called under the Oracle home, there is a deinstall utilities there. You can call that deinstall utility and your software will be uninstalled. Okay, under the Oracle home, that deinstall will be there. So if you go here, say I'm going here, cd dollar oracle underscore home cd deinstall, and just call this deinstall. Okay, if you call this, your software and database also can go.
Okay.
But don't run this in real-time production environment.
Yeah. No, this is just for practice purpose at home.
And just for understanding, guys, if you are running this in the real-time production environment, if you deinstall this database, the company will deinstall you.
Yes, sir.
So don't do that.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, one by one. I'm here only. Don't worry. Yes.
Sir, actually, I installed a single database instance in before past. Now I think you teach like multi-tenant architecture in future. So how can I uninstall it and install? I'm not selected like multi-tenant CDB.
You want to understand about the CDB you are saying, container pluggable database?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are going to see that. Okay, we are going to see that. Okay, in the future lectures we are going to see that. Okay. Yes, next question please.
So regarding for the root sh script, do we need to run on with the Oracle user or
Root user, root.sh will be run by using root user. That is the reason I have given the password of root there. So starting from Oracle 19, it will run automatically. Then you can run it by using sudo user also, sudo user. And if you don't have access to the sudo or root user, you can raise the request to the Linux team. They will run it on behalf of you. Okay. Okay. Clear, everyone? All good?
Hi, Kushal. I have a small question
Yeah.
related to database creation.
Hmm.
I'm just comparing with SQL database creation time, and here it is taking more than 19C installation, right? Is there a specific reason why it is taking so long time for DB creation? Because in real-time environment, if a database gets full and it has to be extended in faster manner, so will it take the same time to extend the existing database?
No. So that architecture and this architecture is completely different. Like I'm also giving a training on PostgreSQL. In PostgreSQL, if you want to create a database, there is a simple command like create database name, and database will be getting created. Okay.
Okay.
Here the architecture is completely different. If your database is getting full, okay, we have a concept called table space here. So you need to add a data file, and you can add as much as data because you have a table space concept there. So adding a data file is just 2 minutes of work. Okay. So it is like creation a database is a one-time activity, and if you are loading bulk amount of data, you just need to increase the size of your table space. So it will be like it will be done in quickly. So it is not going to be take time.
But whenever we create a new database, it takes
It takes a
similar
time. It takes a time. Okay, that's a time-consuming process. It will take hardly, matlab, 30-40 minutes will take.
Okay, irrespective of the storage performance, it will take a longer time. Okay.
So it's not a 1 minute of work. Okay, it is a lengthy process.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So all good, guys, everyone. So today we have successfully completed the database installation. From tomorrow I will show you how you can connect to the database. Okay, and then most probably tomorrow only we will see the architecture of Oracle database. Again, those people who are interested to join our Oracle DBA paid training, you can reach out to the LearnMate team, and we can have, the a beautiful, a very strong fundamentals training like this. Okay, so thank you so much for again joining and listening me and giving your valuable time. Those people who are interested for paid training, the numbers are available in the chat options, or you can check the LearnMate official website. And let's see with the next class. Okay, thank you so much for the recordings are available on the LearnMate app. Everyone know, right, my paid people? So go to the content sections and you will see the recordings over there. Okay, so we are going to stop these free classes. Okay, and we are going to continue with the paid classes, guys. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed this free session. If everything goes good, we'll see by tomorrow also. So thank you so much for listening me and giving your valuable time. I hope you people are enjoying it. Again, for training specific, reach out to the LearnMate and enjoy this LearnMate training. Again, so many lectures are available on the YouTube channel. Everyone know that we have around 77,000 followers are available on YouTube, Insta, and here. So that will be definitely helping you to understand about the database technologies, AWS. If someone is interested for AWS training also, we have 50% discount going on AWS. We are giving this AWS in just 10,000 now. Okay, this is applicable for till tomorrow only. So this is a 3 months of training, not shortcut, nothing. Everything will be practically. So if someone want to understand about the cloud, reach out to the LearnMate and be the part of this job, guys. Okay, thank you so much, and again thank you so much for giving your time. Timing for AWS classes will be evening 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 to 9, this timing only. Okay, 8 p.m to 9 p.m. So this is a golden opportunity for you to understand about the AWS cloud. 3 months of training, live sessions practically, and most important thing is 50% discount is going on till tomorrow. So enjoy, and if somebody is interested for other trainings like data analyst, data engineer and all, let me know. We are there to help you out. Okay, so I hopefully आपको मज़ा आया, एंड बाकी देखते फिर नेक्स्ट वाले क्लास में. थैंक यू, बाय बाय. Okay, I see. Which one should we choose, like AWS or OCI? Let me take this question, guys. See, AWS is for everywhere. Okay, AWS, like if you ask me, around 70% people are using AWS. OCI is all about when you want to stick to the database technologies. So when you think that I want to understand about the database specific cloud, go with OCI. But there are some projects, they are using AWS related services, like their databases will be on AWS. So normally we have a people joining both the courses. If you are asking me which one should I prefer as of now, specific to the database, OCI is also good. And meanwhile, like you can understand about AWS also. Both are good, okay, no problem. I cannot compare it. AWS is all about when you want to create a EC2 instance in the real-time production environment, you want to host your databases, you can use that. But if someone is saying that I want to install Oracle RAC on cloud, so AWS is not a solution, OCI is the solution. So stick to the database means OCI. When you want to understand overall cloud, you can use that. Okay. For Oracle certification, you can go with the OCP certification. There is certification called OCP. Okay. So for OCP, Oracle Certified Professional, OCP, there are two exams are there, admin 1 and admin 2. For Oracle people, if you want to get certified, you can go with OCP certification. Again, for OCP certification with 100% guarantee, we provide that. If you want to get OCP certification along with the trainings, we are there to help you out. Okay, so you can reach out to the LearnerMate. Cost of OCP is I think it will go around 40,000. See, these are the money which are not taken by us. Okay, these monies are going directly to the Oracle OCP. There are two exams are there. One exam is around 20,000. So if you complete those two exams, you will be OCP certified, Oracle Certified Professional. OCA you don't need to do now. You can directly go to the OCP. So reach out to the LearnerMate team. We will guide you about how to complete the certification, the path and everything. We will take care of it. Okay. So again, in the last, those people who are interested to join our paid training related to the Oracle DBA, similar way, reach out to the LearnerMate and I'll be your instructor for next 2-3 months. Apart from this, we have again different trainings are available, completely real time and job related training. Thank you. Okay, so I think it's 9 o'clock. Let's go for dinner and let's enjoy with your family. We will see you tomorrow, same timing by 8 o'clock. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.